Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from RF Radio Network, where we're connecting people through the power of radio. And today we are going to teach you how to update your HamClock. And I know what you're looking right now is the HamClock starting from literally scratch. This device has never been connected to the original HamClock setting, if that means anything to you. In other words, this is original before he passed away. So look at the version, and all this is failing because the data is wrong. This will fail. Everything will fail. Look at the version 4.16. This shows you how old it is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the prompt. So you click the lock, you say exit HamClock, and you click OK. You know, obviously all right, so we're going to go to terminal, and I'll zoom in on this screen, okay? And now I'll pop up password again, because you're going to need that. So I'm going to put this information on the screen for you. So this is what you need to type in at that prompt. Okay? So CURL space dash FS lowercase SL uppercase HTTPS colon / hamclock.co.uk/tools Pike. It's above your enter key. Shift, the other slash, that's the Pike, then sudo bash. Make sure it's exactly how you see it on the screen. Then you hit enter. Now it's prompting for the password. Some people it asks for, and some people it doesn't. That's why I have it listed there. So 1N0V at lowercase t number 0, enter. And that's what it's supposed to do. That's the correct data, the correct output, what you're supposed to receive. Okay, so now the next command we run will be this. So that would be the next command that you would run at that prompt. So it would be sudo space FIX-HOSTS. Hit enter. No change needed. Everything is good. The next command you're going to do is that sudo sudo ohb. Enter. Updated HamClock launch file. Done. So now you type in sudo reboot now. Let it do the restart. Now I'm going to leave it at version 4.16. I want to show you what it does if you don't update, because it's going to prompt us. And it may work and it may not. We'll see. I'm going to hit skip. I'm going to hit skip. Like, we're going to say no. You want to see if everything works. So we're at version 4.16 and everything is working. All right, just so you know. Now, there is a difference. Now, but this is the original version of the software and all the data is working. However, the newest version on ohb.works because they're the new system that is taking over all the updates. That is the website to go to if you want more information on how to do this. However, I helped you along the way. So obviously we're at version 4.16. Everything is working. Technically, we don't need to update, but there are some new bug fixes and whatnot. So we're going to do that. So we're going to restart HamClock. I'm going to show you what it does when you do an update. We're going to click skip on this because I'm not worried about the call sign at the moment. Skip on this, and then we're going to say yes on this. And now it will update. Now there's a reason why I want to show you this because it's important. Because of the version 4.2.7, there's a cool feature that they added that the old version that the other gentleman didn't do. So they're very transparent, this new service that took over the HamClock and its data. So it's kind of neat. This is going to take some time, but we're going to wait. You can fast forward. But in the area where the lock is, there is now a little envelope. All right. And that, if you click on that, it displays like system information that everyone should know. And I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I have been creating. If you guys are interested in supporting the club or this channel, please let me know below if you're interested in becoming a Patreon. I don't have that yet, but if you're interested in helping with the channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. And I just try to provide you with good content, good reviews. And I'm just a regular guy just like yourself who's watching it. I just like to record and make videos for everyone to see. All right, we're just about done, and I'll show you the update. All right, we're up to date. All right, so as you can clearly see, there's a red mail or envelope, and it's in red. That means you did not view it yet. If you have the ability to connect to it, or, with a mouse, you can put a dongle on it. If you have this connected to a TV, I have a wireless keyboard. I have a Logitech K400R connected to it. So it has a laptop type of style, like a trackpad, which allows me to do this. If I click on this, it shows this information. So OHB has been upgraded to this version, 2.0.11. HamClock 4.28 is in beta. Check the status, and if you want, you could type in that website. It's kind of nice. It does some really cool stuff, and you can just click this and click OK and watch what it does. Whoop, did it do it? This is awesome. See, check this out. This is being transparent, and it lets you the status of. So they have 11 servers, dynamic endpoints, 11 of them, and they're all active. This is sick. This is a really nice feature to be able to have this data available to us to see. And they're letting us know what is the status of any updates. So now we have an incredible amount of knowledgeable people working on HamClock. This is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. And I'm just creating this video just to help you guys if you needed to upgrade to the latest version. So this is what it looks like. And this is within HamClock. So anyway, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.